Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the game installation or launcher assets folder and immediately back up the original icon. This protects you if anything breaks. Once done, identify the exact icon file name and confirm the format the game accepts, because some engines want ICO while others accept PNG or a texture atlas. Make sure you have permission to write in that folder. If not, run your File Explorer as administrator or use sudo. Now you're ready to create or select a replacement icon file. You now prepare the new image, resize it to the game's recommended dimensions, often 256 x 256 or 512 x 512, and preserve aspect ratio so it looks crisp. Then convert the image to the exact file type the game expects. Create a multi-resolution ICO for Windows shortcuts, or export PNG with correct alpha for engines. If the icon is embedded in a package or archive, use a resource editor or package tool to replace the asset directly. You finish by replacing the original icon file with your new one, keeping the exact file name and folder path. This ensures the game will reference the replacement automatically. After swapping files, clear any launcher or OS icon cache and fully restart the launcher or system so the new asset loads. Verify the icon in menus and shortcuts. If it doesn't update, check file permissions, delete icon cache files, and try rebuilding the ICO or reinstalling the launcher. That single troubleshooting step often resolves persistent caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.